see how different mobs behave at school? I didn't even know mobs tried to behave at school. Yo, this guy's straight up bullying him for his lunch money? What is that? And this homie just fell asleep at school. I mean, fair, that's just like me. Actually, guys, someone comment down below. Which of these mobs are you most like at school? Because this evoker is straight up doing the craziest mathematical equations. This is insane, okay? This is why we don't allow mobs into schools.
Oh. Let's go to settings, then restricted mode. Then, naka-turn off naman. Or, set up na lang tayo.
Paano yung mga videos namin? No! Dito pa rin yung mga videos namin.
You sign out na lang.
Wala yung mga videos namin no, na-reset.
It's okay. Let's try. Tanongin natin si Sir Gavin.
Ibig sabihin, terminated na yung account namin. Ibig sabihin, terminated
Tingnan natin
na.
kung nag-ano pa. Something went wrong.
Nagkulang ba ako sa kusot? Hindi na ako nakakahiya. Mag-dive ka. Meron ang paninilaw sa Dive Tagos Linis, patikwelyo at kilikili. Ang puti! Dive Tagos Linis laban sa paninilaw. My beat, my coffee. My routine, my coffee.
Kailang na, tingnan natin kung nag-something went wrong pa.
At syempre, nakita ko nila ate.
Mukhang okay naman. Hindi na siya nag-something went wrong. Yun lang.
Yay! Wala na ako mag-video. At saka terminated na yung account namin. Yay!
Pwede mo namang ilagay ulit yun eh.
Ngayon, nagtatalo sila na, kumbaga, lahat to gagawin para sa akin. Kumbaga, sa loyalty. Ako ayaw kong mamatay, para kay kuya.
Kanina puro something went wrong.
Okay, pwede na ako mag-video.
Wag ka na.